Been more than 15 years ago. We put the swinging bench in. Oh yeah, there's a lot of things here. Those trees out there, they were little saplings.
With artistic landscaping, we'll bring your beautiful dreams to life.
No, there's good memories. A lot of good memories. A lot of good work. We put the swinging bench in. Oh yeah, there's a lot of things here. Those trees out there, they were little saplings. One of the first jobs Patrick did was in our house, where he used to live at that time. And we put the driveway in, and that was his first job. Big job. And then after that, he started on his own.
Neil's put a big effort in, you know, and done a lot of work there with us over the years. So it was kind of neat having him come back and put the doors in and stuff, and actually see the benches and the swinging bench there that we built with some ball bearings and some sealed units. It's still, after 30 years, doing really good. Oh, let's not forget that pergola over top of the pool area with the vine and the ivies over the years. So lots of fun, and the driveway at the front. So yeah, it's just been great having the involvement. It's been good.
No, there's good memories. A lot of good memories. A lot of good work. I've enjoyed working with my son. Well, we're enlarging the door into the garden shed for a riding lawnmower. I think that's what it's for. There was just a single door, and now we put a double door in. Oh, it went in good. It could have been a little tighter, but that's fine. The hole wasn't too big.
Patty bye. We got the door set. Neil's working on it. Brian and I are getting ready to head out here.